An Indian BSF Jawan who got trapped in Pakistan has finally managed to come back to India 16 days later. After 16 days of anxiety and diplomatic back-channel talks that India has had with Pakistan, BSF Constable Purnam Kumar has finally now come to India. He was handed back to the Indian authorities by Pakistan Rangers at the Attari Wagah border today. The handover took place at around 10:30 a.m. at the joint checkpost in Attari. Was conducted quite peacefully and all in line with established protocols. The BSF Constable Purnam Kumar Shaw, who's a BSF Jawan of the 182 Battalion, a native of West Bengal, had inadvertently crossed the international border on April 23rd while on duty near the Ferozpur sector in Punjab. In fact, we hear that he loitered into the Pakistan's side of the border because he wanted to take shade, and this happened right a day after the Pahalgam massacre. And as fate would have it, he was captured by the Pakistani forces. In fact, he was very much in uniform at that point. He was carrying his service rifle when he reportedly walked into Pakistan's territory seeking some rest at that point. He of course faltered. He veered off into the Pakistan side of the border and he was arrested by them. Now the BSF Jawan is said to have been in Pakistan custody for the last 16 days. We are yet to establish how he was treated. But that said, he's been handed over promptly to India after multiple back-channel talks and diplomacy. In fact, we hear that he's currently going through some medical checks. His detention came just a day after the Pahalgam massacre took place. Now, given the heightened tensions, it was, of course, quite upsetting for the Indian side because there was no certainty on what would be the fate of the Jawan. But he's come back safe. He's going through medical checks. He's been handed over to the Indian side of the authorities. Flag meetings were also held now to address Shaw's return. In fact, this was a peaceful repatriation, as we are told, and certainly marks a big diplomatic success amidst the strained ties that India has with Pakistan at the moment.